அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். மில்லேனியம் ஸ்கூல், ஓலப்பாளையம், வேலூர். We are operating 25 kilometers surroundings in the Namakkal district and Karur district. The students pick up and dropping time 50 minutes from the morning and evening. Van number 1, we are starting from Kalimedu, Kududurai, Sengapalli, Yellamedu.
Van number 2, start from Jayarapalayam, Kablarmalai, Veernambalayam, Velur, Kamachi Nagar.
Van number 3 starts from Noyyal, Ilango Nagar, Nadayanur, Velayidampalayam, Sugar Mill, TNPL, Moolimangalam, Anichampalayam.
Van number 4, we are operating from Melur Kidaram, Sengapalli, Poondipalayam, Oduvandur, Kattur, Rasipalayam, Murugan Koyil, Panamarthupatti, Mohanur, Erumanaikanpalayam, Manapalli and Palapatti.
And number 5 starts from Ayyampalayam, Pulikilpalayam, Ponmalarpalayam, Kolakattupudur, Pandamangalam, Kopanampalayam, Pottanur, Velur.
Van number 6, we are operating from Kattuputtur, Periyapallipalayam, Sinnapallipalayam, Oduvandanpudur, Mohanur Sugar Mill, Manapalli.
Van number 7 and 14 starts from Tolur, Anayapuram, Ladwadi, Palpannai, Parali, Nekaranpatti, Kuttaitottam, Ariyur, Aandipalayam, Valavandi, Kalipalayam, Rasambalayam, Karasapalayam.
And number 8 starts from Vasandapuram, Irumbupalam, Paramatti, Vellalapalayam, Padamudipalayam, Uduvarpatti, Kuppuchipalayam, Poyyeri, Nansedayar.
Van number 9 starts from Vangal, Mohanur, Vandigate, Arungatur, Teethambalayam, Manapalli, Rasagaundanpalayam.
Van number 10 starts from Annanagar, Karkambalayam, Kondalam, Kallipalayam, Vengarai, Pandamangalam, Pottanur, Velur, Edayar.
Van number 11 start from Palapatti, Satyamurthy Nagar, Anju Mission Stop, Valavandi Murugan Koyil, Kumarapalayam, Keel and Mel Palapatti. Van number 12 Keel Sathambur, Thevipalayam, Sanipatti, Oviyambalayam, Keelakadai, Oothukuttai, Ponneripatti, Unjapalayam, Kattamarapalayam, Malapatti, Periyakarsappalayam.
Van number 13 starts from Namakkal, Sandapetaipudur, KTC, Podupatti, Kavetipatti, Vallipuram, Pudupalayam, Valavandi, Olapalayam.
Number 15 starts from Karur, Manmangalam, Velayidampalayam, Thavuttupalayam, Olapalayam.
Transport, we give the safety transport to the students and convenient transport for the parents with experienced drivers and helpers.